Hello, Ashley Aylor, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using the Silly George lashes for the very first time and going through the full process with you and giving an honest review as well. So these are the lashes for LinerBond system, and this is actually the clear liner. So it's not like, it doesn't have color, it's not black or anything. So the first thing it says to do is measure up your lashes against your eyelid and using sharp scissors trim any excess from the outer end to fit your eye size. Tip, cut less just in case, because it's easier to go back and cut again if you have to. All right, and you always want to make sure you're cutting from the outside. So yes, I'm going to grab this style that I have is Girl Friday. So I'm going to start with the right eye first. Just got to pull it off. It's like glued to the packaging. Be gentle. I did ask, you can get about 30 wears out of these. Whoops, if you're just gentle with them. That is the key, being gentle. Okay, so let's see here. Let me look at a mirror. Let me get off the glue part so I can actually measure. I mean, I think that we could actually do just a little bit off. All right, so sharp scissors from the outside. I'm just going to do this much. Should be perfect. I just took off that little much. All right, now I am going to go ahead and get the liner on for that eye, and then I'll do the other one. I'll just do this eye real quick. Shake gently, first use, and apply LinerBond as you would any other pen eyeliner. Don't feel like you need to do a thick line. LinerBond will hold the lashes on well, even with the thin line. For extra hold, apply second layer or dab extra on inner and outer corners. Within 10-30 seconds, line the lash up along the lash line and gently press down onto LinerBond eyeliner. And it does say do your makeup as usual. So I have my makeup done. Now I'm doing my liner, which I should have probably broken this first. If I can get it. Here, let me just, hello. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it. Shake it first like they say. Get my little liner. He said you do not have to be overly generous with the product, but you can. I really hope this is going on because it doesn't feel wet. So since this is my first time using it, I'm like, is that going on right? But it does squeeze down. So I wonder if, okay, I am just going to use my handy dandy tweezers because I couldn't find my lash application one, but because my tweezers are on the glue section, that's not working out. Let me just use my finger. I think that'll be fine. Huh, definitely is taking right to it. Huh. Super easy. Way easier than glue, that's for sure. I'll tell you that right now. I would like these to be a little bit more bold. On the website, it was a little hard to decipher what was bold or natural. And I think I probably could have trimmed a little bit more off because they are poking the inner corner, but that's my fault for not doing a good measure because I didn't want to keep you guys on here while I'm measuring out the lashes. Okay, now I'm just going to pull this one off, the second one. And I'm going to trim a little more off these because these are a little long. They're poking the inner corner of my eye just a tad. So I'm going to always trim from the outside. Okay. I'm just going to take a little bit extra off. Just a little bit more than last time. All right, now I'm just going to, apply the LinerBond again. Hold on. Apply this again. Let me figure out what angle. Oh. I hope I'm doing it good. Good thing is it is clear. Because the thing that's tricky about it is I can't really tell. I guess because it's clear and it's not super wet, it's kind of hard to tell if you're applying it on there that well. So it's not like wet glue or anything, or like actual liner. So it's like, am I getting it on there? Am I getting it on there? Yep, so I just applied it on there and I pinch. Oops. I think I got some LinerBond on my lashes because they're sticky. That's my bad. But there is a first for everything, right? I definitely got it on my lashes because my lashes are definitely sticky. So next time I will be more careful when it comes to that. However, they're still really good, and honestly, like, this one is measured a lot better to my actual eye. So I will be going back in with this one, trimming it and reapplying it probably because that inner corner is just poking me and it's driving me nuts. So yes, I overall love them. I think they're super easy. The only thing I would suggest is make sure you are not getting them on your actual lashes. And I do have a 15% off discount. If you click the link below, you can get a set and save some money. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these. They are quite pretty. And once again, this is Girl Friday that I just put on. And if you're looking for something that's inexpensive, it's still going to give you a lot of wears and uses, I do suggest these. I've seen a lot of other people suggest these as well, so that's why it's like I want to give them a try and see for myself. And like this one, because it is measured how it should be, it's extremely comfortable. I don't even feel it on there. This one, the only reason I feel it on there is because I didn't measure it as well. So yeah, you can, if you're on my Instagram, you can click the link in the bio or swipe up and grab these. Or if you are on YouTube, then you just go down to the description and I'll have the discount below, the discount code and link for you to shop below. All right, you guys, be sure to give this a like, a thumbs up if you found the value in this, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and hacks, and also marketing tips as well in the mix. All right, have a good day. Bye.